Programming Training Workshop, powered by Tonex. The Tonex Secure Programming Training Workshop is a comprehensive course that teaches software developers how to write secure code. The course covers a wide range of topics, including threat modeling, secure coding practices, vulnerability analysis, secure software testing, and secure deployment strategies.
The course is designed to help developers identify and mitigate common software security vulnerabilities. Through hands-on exercises and real-world examples, participants will gain the knowledge and skills necessary to develop secure and resilient software applications. The Tonex Secure Programming Training Workshop is delivered by experienced instructors who are experts in software security. The course is available in both live and virtual formats. Here are some of the key benefits of the Tonex Secure Programming Training Workshop. Learn from experienced instructors who are experts in software security. Cover a wide range of topics related to secure coding. Gain hands-on experience with secure coding practices. Learn how to identify and mitigate common software security vulnerabilities. Develop the knowledge and skills necessary to write secure and resilient software applications.
The Tonex Secure Programming Training Workshop is a great option for a variety of professionals, including software developers, security engineers, quality assurance engineers, project managers, technical leads, anyone who is responsible for the security of software applications. The course is particularly beneficial for professionals who are new to software security or who want to brush up on their skills. The course will also be helpful for professionals who are responsible for the security of critical or sensitive applications. The course is comprehensive, informative, and hands-on. You will learn from experienced instructors who are experts in software security. Request more information. Sign up as a group. Please visit www.tonex.com.